Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Come enjoy the Florida lifestyle in the beautiful gated community of Silverthorn. This well-maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa offers a light, bright open floor plan, spacious 2-car garage, and the convenience of maintenance-free living. Located along the third green of the Silverthorn golf course, this home offers a peaceful golf course setting without requiring a golf membership. Enjoy peace of mind with a brand new electric water heater installed in August 2026 and a 2021 roof. The home is offered at an attractive price point and is an excellent opportunity for a full-time residence, Florida getaway, seasonal home, or low-maintenance investment. Silverthorn offers an exceptional combination of value, amenities, security, and location with no age restriction. The HOA maintenance plan helps simplify your lifestyle by covering lawn mowing, irrigation, mulch, and exterior painting, along with high-speed internet and updated cable service with a DVR box and DVR service. The community amenities provide plenty of opportunities to stay active and social, including a fitness center, swimming pool, community center with activities, library, playground, tennis courts, pickleball courts, basketball courts, and a guard-gated, access-controlled entrance. Silverthorn also features an on-site restaurant and golf pro shop. Golf is optional. You do not have to purchase a membership to enjoy the course, with pay-as-you-play options available. Conveniently located in Central Florida, Silverthorn offers an easy commute to the Tampa Bay area with quick access to major highways, Tampa International Airport, St. Petersburg, Clearwater, hospitals, medical facilities, shopping, and dining. Beyond the community, enjoy easy access to the Gulf of America, renowned Tarpon Springs, fishing, boating, kayaking, scalloping, biking trails, horseback riding, additional golf courses, and countless Central Florida recreational opportunities. Major highways also provide convenient access to Tampa's cultural attractions, professional sports, cruise ports, and Central Florida's world-famous theme parks, as well as Tampa International and St. Pete Clearwater International Airports. Priced at $249,000 with $4,000 offered toward flooring update, this is a wonderful opportunity to enjoy maintenance-free Florida living, golf course views, an impressive amenity package, and a convenient Central Florida location, all without age restrictions. Schedule your private showing today and discover the Silverthorn lifestyle.